Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce advertising spend with Facebook ads, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by identifying your advertising goals. Determine what you want to achieve with your Facebook ads. Consider whether you want to increase brand awareness, drive website traffic, or generate leads. Next, know your target audience. Utilize Facebook's audience targeting tools. Define demographics, interests, and behaviors relevant to your products or services. After that, set a realistic budget. Decide how much you can afford to spend on Facebook ads. Consider starting with a small daily budget. Then, choose the right ad format. Experiment with different formats such as image, video, carousel, or slideshow ads. Focus on formats that resonate with your audience. Move on to create compelling ad content. Write clear and engaging copy that conveys your message. Use high-quality visuals to catch users' attention. Ensure your call to action is strong and clear. Next, test and optimize your ads. Run A/B tests to see which ads perform best. Analyze the data to understand what works and what doesn't. Adjust your targeting, messaging, or visuals based on this feedback. Consider retargeting your audience. Use Facebook's retargeting options to reach users who have previously interacted with your brand. This can increase your chances of converting these leads into customers. After that, monitor your ad performance regularly. Use Facebook Ads Manager to track metrics like click-through rate and conversions. Make data-driven decisions to improve your ads. Finally, scale successful campaigns. Once you find ads that perform well, increase their budget to maximize results. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.